Okay, see Lindelof video, super quick video on solving logarithmic functions with your Ti-Nspire CAS. I've committed to doing this in less than 3 minutes, so let's get started. All I did was added the calculator. I put that little note in there for you to read. So here we go. Remember, we're going to use the solve function. Two ways to use the solve function. Type in the word SOLVE, and it will open parentheses for you, and you can put in the work. Or what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use this little book right here. I'm going to go to solve. I'm going to double tap on that. What is super important is that you make sure your cursor is inside those parentheses. I'm going to go ahead and set that up. I'm going to use a log function, so I'm going to use control log, and I'm using base 3. So there's base 3, and mine is 5x minus 1. So there's 5x minus 1. Right? Super important here. People screw up. I'm going to set this equal to something. Make sure you're outside of the argument, right? Outside of those parentheses. Use your right cursor. Equal sign, right? Then I'm going to use log base 3 again. So control log. Remember, I have a choice to put in the base, and I am using base 3. I'm going to use my right cursor to jump into the argument, right? And I'm going to, in here, I'm going to have x plus 7. X plus 7. Super important. A lot of mistakes are made here. You see, I'm still inside of this argument. Be sure to get out of the argument. I get so many people who send me these things. I keep getting a syntax error. I keep getting a syntax error. When you have a syntax error, it's almost always because you left your cursor someplace and you put a note inside someplace you didn't need. If I put comma x inside of here, the calculator has no idea what I'm talking about. So make sure, again, outside the argument, we're using our variable is x. Holy crap, you see what I just did there? Right? I'm going to go back inside these parentheses. Man, I almost didn't take my own advice. So I got outside the second set of parentheses. That's okay. Good learning for me anyway. Right? So here is comma. Whoa, what the hell? Comma x, right? So comma x. Looks good. Hitting enter. And bang, there's our answer. I bet I did this in less than 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, please let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do.